Are you looking to quickly and accurately predict the properties of your molecules? Welcome to ProtoPRED, the innovative platform from ProtoQSAR that combines scientific expertise with advanced machine learning and bioinformatics methods to give you reliable results in seconds. With ProtoPRED, you can analyze the toxicity, physicochemical, ecotoxicological, and bioactivity properties of your compounds, including pharmaceutical drugs and nanomaterials, using cutting-edge predictive models. Also, with 2 dedicated modules for ICH and REACH regulatory compliance, ProtoPRED ensures your compounds meet the highest international standards, streamlining your path to approval. To start using ProtoPRED, go to our website, click in the Register button, and complete our 1-minute registration form. After sending the request, you will get automatically an email with your credentials. Your new account comes with 150 tokens for free and full availability to start your predictions. These tokens are the exchangeable coins for predictions in the platform. Using ProtoPRED is easy. Just select the module you want to work with. In this page, you can get a PDF with general information for each model. Click in the Access button. Fill in with Cas number of your molecule. You can also draw it or load a file in different formats. Select all the models you want to use. As you can see, all regulatory documentation for every model is available as a QMRF. All tokens needed will be notified and discounted when you confirm. Last, submit your data. After that, you can directly check your results on your screen or download them as a prediction report, QPRF, for regulatory purposes. ProtoPRED builds the prediction report automatically, but you can personalize it with relevant information in the available section. If you need more information about ProtoPRED and how to purchase more tokens, please contact us in the next email. ProtoPRED@protoqsar.com.